class 11. Again, telling about COVID-19. We have to follow the certain rules and regulations that has been given to us. First, keep a proper distance. Second, sanitize your hand before using anything and sterilize or sanitize the place which we are using. Third, wear a proper and neat and clean mask and time to time change it when there is needed. Although we are telling each and every day about COVID-19, we have to follow the certain rules and regulations that has been given to us. It is very important and this is only the precaution that we can avoid the spread of coronavirus. And we had been watching news that updates are coming that we are already in a hurry of vaccination, but although the vaccination will be provided by the central government, but before that we have to follow the rules and regulations and maintain distance, proper mask and sanitize a nearby place, even clean our nearby surroundings also. In a previous lesson, I was telling you about skills and technique and style. There is a difference between skill, technique, and style. There are three words. First is skill, second is technique, and third is style. The meaning of skill I had already told you. Classification of skill. It is very important to understand the classification and the meaning of skill. First is open skill. The skill that are not under control and unpredictable are classified as open skill. And I had given you the example of badminton. For example, badminton performing any skill by affected by many different circumstances. And what are those circumstances? That can be wind, playing situation where you are playing, and how you play. These are the circumstances such as opponent. One of the example I had given you, opponent option on the court. Sometimes we see that the best opponent is on the opposite side of our field and we are nervous to play with them, but these are all certain things that classification of the skill is there. That is fine skill. What is fine skill? These skill includes complex movement using small muscles group. And what are all small muscles group? That is related. I had already teach you about the skeletal system and the formation of bones, and bones are attached with muscles, and fine muscles are biceps and triceps. Without that we are unable to make a coordination coordination with our skill and muscles. An example is a snooker shot of playing the piano. Appropriate example of fine skill. A snooker shot. You know the snooker or a piano. When a pianist play a piano, a small muscles or a complex type of muscles are working behind that. because we are using a small type of muscles. Connective skills. What are connective skills? Connective skills are those skills which are performed at the same time as another work without direction, confrontation such as swimming and running. These are the coactive skills because they are related to each other. In swimming, we are related to each other. There are so many types of muscles are working together. That is coactive skills. Interactive skills. Interactive skills are those skills where other participants or performance are directly involved, such as football, netball, handball, and basketball. Because most of the students in our school they play basketball and interactive skill. We are playing and we are interacting also. We are doing certain type of skills, but at the sideways we are interacting also, interacting with skills. One of the interaction is that we are saying something, speaking from our mouth. Generally we see in our literature and language, but interactive skills in physical education is with the help of skills in a playing form. So this is classification of skills, and you came to know about the classification of skills. So we had came to know about individual skills, continuous skills. Our next category is meaning of technique. What is technique? We are talking about in physical education related to sports and games. Technique are the basic movements of any sports or events. We had seen while playing different games and different various games, we apply various types of technique. And one of the best example is a block start a 100-meter race is a technique. We had seen some they use a stagger or a block, and another they are standing. Sometimes you had seen a student standing and running, but some they use a blocks. So at that time, a player or a individual is using a block. He is using a proper technique of 100-meter sprint. There is a difference between sprint and race. A number of techniques are combined in a pattern of movement. Suppose in a triple jump, running and then hop. In a triple jump, we start from a running, and after a couple of running time, we start hopping, then there is a triple jump, and then we jump long jump. We are talking about long jump. In fact, a technique is the way of performing a skill. Technique is a way of performing any skill. In a previous headings, we had already came to know about what are skills and how we can implement a skill. Before that is a technique. We already, as a physical education teacher, we work in a technique and skill. In a lower section, when a child is in class 5th and 6th, or below that, second and third, we work in a technique. That how the child starts playing And gradually, when he is older and he is in class 8 and 9, then comes in skill of football, volleyball, or various games, whatever he is taking to interested in taking part. A technique involves scientific and economical methods to achieve to performance in sports and competition. We had seen scientific, we know the scientific technique, but what are economical techniques? Most of you we do not know, and we do not want to know about economic techniques. It is related to our money matters. Economics is related to many things, and when a child is not having a proper nutrition, he is unable to perform a proper technique. Where will the nutrition come? It will come from the food. And where will the food will come? Food will come by money or by the agriculture waste products of our agriculture. So that is directly involved in economic techniques. Sports persons select different techniques of a skill on a following basis. Many of our sports persons they select different level of different basis. Skill shooting in basketball technique. There is a technique in basketball, layup shot and jump shot. There are two types of shots. Layup shot is used when there is a no defender between you and a basket. If you know and if you had played a basketball game, then only you will come to know about these two types of skills in basketball, layup shot and jump shot. The meaning of style. We had came to know about till now. We had came to know about skill, technique, and style. Third and important is style. A style is an individual expression of technique. How we implement, how we do that skill or a technique is called style. In a motor action, you know what are motor action when we are doing a bowling or kicking a ball or running a 100-meter sprint is all about motor action. Two sportsmen are like in different factors which determines motor actions. Therefore, each sports person due her specific or particular physique, physical and biological capacities realize the technique in different ways. We are born with a special physique. Physique is our outer appearance. Psychological and biological capacities can be raised by using various medical facilities and capacities that raise the technique of an player or an individual. So this is the meaning of style. There are three things. First is skill, second is technique, and third is style. We had came to know three and a difference between three of them. It is very important to understand the difference between three of them. Role of free play in development of motor components. We had seen what is motor development and motor skills. Anything we are doing with running, jumping are motor skills. The role of a free play in the development of motor component. Here we are talking about the lower section and the activities of lower classes. There is a need of role of free play. We had seen in a games period or in a physical education period. Sometimes the student they came, make line, and they start playing. Sometimes they are running in a field, jumping and playing various types of games. This is the role of a free play. In fact, structured activities are significant for building development skill in children. Structured, well planned, before planned is called structured activities. Whatever the uh, games or playing activities, these activities teach children how to follow rules and routines and stimulate the development of various motor skills. They play a vital role in gross motor development of children. Free play is essential during in early development years. Early development years is from 3 to 7 years. That is early development years. And we had noticed that in that year, the child always tried to run here and there, walk, and to find out various certain things. He loves to play with friends. Helps children learn the various motor skills efficiently. Free play chosen means that the children choose how and what to play themselves. We try to teach, but children enjoy this type of particular role of a free play, how to play and what to play themselves, because they enjoy to create their own games and sports. Self-directed means children decide their rules. I had already told you just now. I had told you that they decide their own games. Role of free play themselves intrinsically motivate means the children play their own sake and for any reward or certificate. But when they are deciding to play, they just love to play. There is no need of any prize or certificate. This explains that free play consists of those activities which are performed self amusement, created by their own, that is self amusement and the love. These self directed and the reward comes from within the individual. If we notice class third or fourth or fifth child, while they are playing, we had seen sometimes three or four girls they start playing their own games and they create their own environment within themselves. They make their own rule and they start playing. They love to play their own game. That is the role of a free play. If they participate in free play during childhood, they become healthy, happy, productive member of society. So it is very very important to give them a chance to play and to provide them a space to have a free play of their own. And what they are doing during childhood, they actively take part in walking, jumping, running, holding, skipping, throwing. These are the developmental activities that involves development of large muscles. Although there are gross motor skills are involving in them, but the basic what they are developing of large muscles. So this is all about free play. And what are the advantage of the free play in motor development? When children involve themselves in activities such as walking, skipping, their gross motor development take place. Gross motor wholesome development regarding their muscles and growth. It means the large muscles are developed with the help of smooth muscles. These activities develop motor planning skills, helping children to create and carry out ideas, motor action and activities. Motor action while they are playing, they decide many things, and activities related to their sports and games. Okay, this this was your second last chapter, and if you are unable to understand any paragraph or a question, you can ask to me. But while checking your homework, it seems that many of you are still not doing, and you are not showing interest in doing question and answers related to physical education. I had already given you few questions related to short answer type questions and long answer type questions. Go through each and every questions that is behind the chapter. It will help you in unit second, that is at the end of January, and make sure that your files, practical files related to physical education is complete. Anytime it can be asked by the school that you have to submit in school, and it will be checked by me, and even your notebooks also, because it is very important to read and write questions and answers from the book only. So do it well and prepare well for your coming exams.